Hello, we're back at it at Not Too Old to Play. Today, I've got what appears to be Series 1, the Playmobil Scooby-Doo Ghost Collection. Not sure what to expect from this one. It's a little different than what I've been doing with the minifigures and other regular stuff, but I thought this would be interesting. So here we've got it opened up, taking a look. It comes with a few things in here extra. This little sticker, wasn't sure what it was for at first, and then it does mention on the package that each package comes with a ghost card and sticker. So there's our sticker, and here's our directions, or again, as I like to call them, corrections. As you can see, it doesn't have a lot of information for directions, and given the opportunity to screw things up, I'm sure that I will, and this seems to give quite a bit of latitude to do that. Found the figure there. The figure is, I'm probably going to mess up this name. It's let's see, Zen Twa or Two, Zen 2 maybe, Zentuo. Anyway, trying to make heads or tails of the correction, and also from the picture trying to figure out how everything's oriented. And it's kind of intuitive. Maybe it's that I haven't seen this particular Lego construction before. It doesn't seem Lego-ish to me. It seems more like a model. So it takes the gears a little bit and the smoke to start pouring out of the ears and the top of the head to start putting it all together. But as you can see, the feet go into what appears to be the bottom portion of the attire piece. The arms, yeah, they go in these little holes here, and the problem is you gotta hold them in place when you snap the retaining piece in. See, it's kind of like watching a raccoon try to figure out how to do something, huh? Shit, a raccoon would probably figure it out quicker than I did. And it slides in and snaps the arms in place. There we go, got the correct orientation. And then upon further inspection, it's like, wait a minute. Taking a look at the legs, I say, tab A in the slot B. There we go. Got that in place. And now I think we can get it together. Hold those arms back into place again. It kind of makes sense. I mean, it seems kind of cheaply made until you see how each part kind of slides in and holds everything together. And whoa!
Oh, fudge!
Yeah, what the shit was that? So let's pick up all the pieces again. man, that fucking thing just kind of exploded. So, yeah, they don't have to be forced together with too much pressure. Important safety tip: wear your safety goggles if you don't know how to fucking put these things together. Fortunately, I wore glasses, so it was all good, and my office space, where I have my studio, is relatively small, so I was able to find all the pieces. I'm testing now to see just how much force it takes to get them to go into place, so I won't be trying to use any type of hydraulic press, or won't require the use anyway. Back to the drawing board, get our arms back in, pop them into place. One more time. First we gotta get the right orientation here. There we go. Now we got the arms. Oh yeah, keep a good grip on that. Next we'll put our feet on. And they snap into place pretty easy. There's not much to those, and you can actually hear it. Whereas the clips, where the arms go into place, you really don't hear anything. You don't hear like a nice snap or anything like that. It kind of slides in. That's it. Trying to make heads or tails of the toe heads. Now the head going in is kind of tough. It gives some resistance, but hey, it goes on. And fortunately, we got two heads, and one side is kind of more menacing than the other. The little hat goes on, and it's kind of like a do-rag type thing, and then the hat goes on. And they sit kind of weird, like almost cockeyed, so you would think it goes on a certain way and it wants to go another, so just go with it. Don't be a bonehead like me and try to line things up. Just the OCD talking. He's got this little staff that appears to be putting out fire, and there we go. The figure is pretty much complete. Now he's got this little, I think they call it a ghost card. So, and the ghost card uses the clear plastic piece and this little sticker. And unfortunately, now look, I got my finger right on the adhesive area. I didn't notice that when I was putting it together. Now my fingerprints are permanently in there. Better not commit any crimes. Leave any evidence. And then that goes on his arm, and there we have it. Zen 12 is complete. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video.